Yay! My Happy Planner fall release order is here. I paid for really fast shipping. I actually got this on Monday, but I've been so busy, and so I really didn't need to pay for fast shipping because I didn't get to it in time, but that's okay. I'm really excited to show you what I bought from the fall release. Happy Planner sent me a whole bunch of stuff. I know I got a lot of product, so grateful for that. But let's be honest, I wanted all the sticker books. I didn't buy them all, but let's check out what I purchased. I also have a separate order that's a planner, and that's because I swear every single time there's a new release, I place my order and then I forget to order something, and then I have to do a second order the same day and then pay for shipping. I do that every time. I hate that. But I have a planner to show you as well. That has come in the mail also. What I decided to do for this video is do very quick flip throughs of these sticker books and the planner, and then I'm going to put out separate, more detailed flip throughs of each thing, because otherwise I think this video is going to be way too long. I have a playlist called Fall 22 Release, and I'm going to link that in the description box. You can see the videos I've already put out and then look for future ones in there. Also, I will have my affiliate link in the description box. It's always so appreciated when you use my link to purchase anything. Thanks to everyone who shopped last week and used my link. It really helps me out. Okay, let me just show you what I got. I'll shut up. I'll stop talking. I know. Sometimes I get chatty. I get very excited when I get a box in the mail. What can I say? Also, something on my desk. All right. First up, we have this Pixar sticker book. It's called Bright Year. I love this. I think it's so cute. I mainly got this because I had a feeling some of my patrons were going to want Pixar spreads. I mean, I got it for me too, obviously, but look how cute it is. We've got all the characters. I'm going to have to do character research before I do this flip through because I forget some of their names, a lot of their names. Anyway, that's really cute. Okay, next up we have this La Fleur sticker book. I know this one's going to be gorgeous. That planner is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. The colors in here, so soft and pretty, and all of the flowers and quotes. I really love this one. It's very, very elegant, and there's even butterflies in there. Next, we have this adorable 90s sticker book. This is a mini size, but don't let that fool you. You can use it, oh my gosh. Oh, you can use it in any planner, but oh wow. It's giving me complete 90s vibes. Like, it's bringing me back, I will say. That's when my kids were little. All right. Next, we have Ingrid Blooms. This is a collaboration between the Happy Planner and Creative Ingrid. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so, oh, look how pretty this is. I cannot wait to look through each of these in extreme detail because I really haven't watched flip throughs on them myself. I like to give you my first impressions. Cyanotype is next. This one is all blue. We have another blue sticker book, you guys. If you really liked indigo, you're going to love this because there's so many blue stickers, but there's florals. Like, how pretty is this? Blue florals, so pretty. This one I've been looking forward to because there's food in it and the food has faces, most of it. They're so cute. These little characters, I'm going to end up naming all of the fruits and vegetables, I think. Oh, how could I not? And the little hamburgers and stuff. And it's got bright colors. This is my most favorite food sticker book ever. Ever. I had to get it. So remember how I got that Getaway Vibes planner? Well, this is the sticker book that goes with it. Wow. It's a travel sticker book, and I plan on doing traveling soon, getting back to some traveling. So I'm excited about this one because this will be perfect for those fun adventure or travel spreads. This one's really cute with those real photos in it. Okay, you know I couldn't resist getting another one of these. I was afraid these were going to sell out. If you didn't see my plan with me this week in my Big Happy Planner, I used the Cozy Critters sticker book, and it's so cute, you guys. It's just adorable. I had so much fun making that spread, so you can check that out. But so sweet. And I knew I needed a second one. As soon as I looked at it, I thought, I got to get a second one. And so I did. Maybe even a third. Just like I have 2 of the Modern Meow. So fun, that sticker book. I'm really excited for this one as well. Tropical Boho. There's animals in here. You know I love animals. And I love the wild styled look. And these jewel tone colors are just so pretty. Cannot wait to go through that in detail and see it all. Next, I really am looking forward to this sticker book. This is the Fall Harvest sticker book, and let's face it, we all love seasonal stickers, I think, and this one is so cute. I did have the little 5-sheet pack that the Happy Planner gave to me, which I appreciate, but I was really looking forward to getting the full sticker book. There's lots of seasonal florals in here, and there's deer, you guys. There's deer and boots. Like, come on, deer and boots. Gotta love it. Next, we have Beautiful Blooms. This one is very interesting. It's a different kind of sticker book. I mean, look. Whoa. Listen to that. ASMR. So yeah, this one I'm going to do a flip through of, but you can see they are clear stickers. They're clear stickers. So that's really interesting to me. Next up, we have Painted Blossoms, and this is a collaboration with Zay Wild. And this one looks so fun and whimsical. There's florals in here, soft colors, so cute. Lots of functional boxes. It just looks like a really fun, soft sticker book. Next, we have Funky Abstracts. You know I had to get this one. This is really fun. I like this one a lot. It's got, you know, well, a lot of these little swishies, you know. That's my technical term. And I mean, just cool little abstract doodles. What can I say? It's so me. I really like the color palette. I think it's so fun. And I cannot wait to check this one out and use it in the spread. All right. Whoa. So this is interesting. I did not order this sticker book. I didn't order this one. Hey, this is the household sticker book we have had for a while. I have to go through my order and see if anything's missing. Hopefully not, but this was not part of my order. Okay. I have the large size Butterflies and Blooms sticker book. I love the large size sticker books, and this one's so sophisticated. We have lots of florals and butterflies. It just looks so interesting and just different, right? I really enjoyed the Papillon sticker book, so this one looks fun to me. Okay, I ordered the Nightmare Before Christmas sticker pad storage combo with the sticker book only because I really wanted the sticker book, even though this is so cute. But hold on, let me open it for you. I mean, this is adorable. It just doesn't match any of my other sticker storage boxes. So I may give this away, but I really kind of want to keep it. I don't know what to do with it yet. Anyway, there's that. But I really want the sticker book. This is so freaking cute. And like, these stickers are really big and fun. And I just knew people were going to want Nightmare Before Christmas spreads, like before Halloween or Christmas. And also me, I also want them. So I needed to get this. Okay, that is all the sticker books. I am going to look at my order and see if any are missing because now I'm worried. But let me show you the planner that I got. I got this LaFleur planner because this one is really neutral. And I know I have the doodle planner, the whimsical doodle one. It's a big planner. I know I have that one that I'm going to use for next year, I think. But this one actually really appeals to me too. And it has a neutral layout, so it's possible I will use this. I'm not sure, but let's just like show you a couple of dividers and I will do a separate flip through on this planner. I mean, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Maybe what I'll do is use it for 2023 and then so my catch-all planner will be like a sophisticated theme and then my journal will be that whimsical theme. I don't know yet, but this one is really, really pretty and like I said, separate flip through. Okay, let me pause and see if they got my order right. Okay, I am very sad because my order was wrong. I ordered the Jewel Tone Jungle sticker book and the Jewel Tone Jungle large sticker book, but I got the household instead. Obviously, a new release, there's so much going on, and of course, mistakes can be made, but I'm going to contact the company and see if they can send me out those sticker books. I'm looking forward to getting those too. So, that is everything I purchased. Let me know if you purchased any of these, and I'm going to do some separate flip throughs. Like I said, my affiliate links in the description box. And thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye.